should have brought my other damn camera. I didn't even think about it.
I get a rest definitely. Ski trip tomorrow. You know, maybe you and I could do something
About
together
this.
next week.
Definitely. The parents are You should come over.
Is that good
You
stuff,
gonna get a lot
kiddo?
of that, Tucker? Huh?
Pull the cake over by her and then just put her mouth down there on it.
Filthy Christmas miracle.
Wanna try with the spoon?
You guys are. I'm sorry they just barged in like that.
Oh, not at all. They were just dropping off this Christmas present. Oh, this. It's got cheese and butter and caramel, all my favorite. How did you know?
Well, we will let
Here
you
you go.
go. We've got a lot of window shopping to do.
Jackie, why don't you come with us?
Come on, you can talk to Miss
Oh my
Rocco.
god.
Is that good stuff,
I like
kiddo?
that icing. I like that.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You
Alright,
are gonna
pretty
be
kids.
bouncing off the
Yeah.
walls.
Alright, the pretty kid. Yes, they are.
Here.
Put good stuff on. Yeah.
Look at that big old chunk.
Just like, yeah, I think that.
Might keep it out from her sitting on it.
You know about that. This is how you eat it.
Heartland.
This is a cutie girl. Is that some good cake? Huh?
Shut the door. Some people need to learn about Christmas.
That is too funny.
Pretty good stuff, huh, kiddo? That's pretty good stuff.
Played high school football.
It was just one game, Dad. Although it did kind of change everything forever.
I'll never forget that day.
Jack, you laced those up like a professional. Good for you. Nice to have some
There we go.
positive
I'm gonna check the
reinforcement.
camera out.
Well, it's only positive reinforcement when they say it to you. In my case, they're just stating the facts. I do look like the arrow shirt man. I did lace up my skates professionally, and I did do a fabulous job finishing my
This is a cutie girl, huh?
You people do
Yeah.
it anyway.
Is that good stuff?
Things pointing at me. Yeah.
cruise in March. Are you in or out?
There we go.
We dig there, kiddo. These little cuties.
I still got 15
Yeah.
minutes and 38 seconds left in there. That's a long time.
Is that good cakes? Is that real good cakes?
That's what I think every time I'm gonna
Yeah.
run out of minutes, but then I end up just doing it for like 2 or 3 minutes at a time.
I know you look down. I only been here 2 minutes. Bullshit. I was thinking, oh man, this is gonna be so neat. Yeah, you can just do it and watch it back, see how good you're coming in, and all that stuff. And I'm like, 2 minutes? Here, we're gonna have to find a tripod for this puppy.
There are terrorist cells that are more nurturing than you are.
Got buttermilk. I gave her a mini marshmallow the other day. She brought and I handed it to her. She squished it between her fingers.
She picked up the spoons.
And she went to put it in her mouth and it got stuck on her nose. And she was all looking up for it. It was so cute. Oh, she's using a spoon now?
Yeah.
Picked it up and stuck it in her mouth.
That's pretty good stuff, huh, kiddo? Yeah, that's pretty good stuff.
Yeah, don't ruin the cake experience.
Try to keep that right. Yeah.
She hates having her face. Babe, you dropped some on the
Look out there.
by your shoe.
That is not a Christmas tree. It's a way to lure tourists into the basement to buy $20
Outside.
So now we're going to go around the circle, and every one of us is going to say what Christmas means.
Now it's time for the candle.
Nom nom, that's good cake. You got it all over.
I am going to have the fried onion topper for 2 for 1.
Good for you. You must be so proud of Liz.
You guys like some cake?
So far away from home.
This is an excuse to visit New York.